Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, actually, schoolwork, lighting test or something. Well, I have this image and I have pencil drawing type image, which is pretty nice drawing type image, isn't it? But I don't think I'm gonna use today. I wanna colorize first on this image. Okay, now I'm gonna coloring this image. Let's get started. I'm gonna move this empty layer over this image. Then let's see, change blend mode to color as always. Then go from nice skin tone, and brushes, no texture of the brush, so I'm gonna use basic to soft round opacity. Now a little bit add color, then let's see, paint on hair too. Nice key light. Okay, go for makeup. Okay, pretty nice set of colors. Okay, how about, what color can you see on this? Well, is it? Well, go for background first. I don't know about this. Maybe red. Yeah, kind of much like it, huh? Okay, now leave it this way and go for background. Well, what color is gonna be? Okay, I'm gonna add one more color. One more layer. Then let's see, change color, blend mode color again. Then this is for background. Let's see. Well, kind of interesting background colors. I wonder if you guys can see this real shadow colors. Green and magenta. Okay, I'm gonna go touch up real details with using smudge tool. Maybe go from here. This is kind of rough. So use smudge dry media to, well, pastel square. This is a nice smudge tool. Okay, let me see. If I change to color mode to normal, you see the texture of the color easier. Now I'm going to use smudge tool. Smudge to smooth out the blending. Bring this one back to color. This is smudge, this is coloring. Then eraser tool. I'm using soft round opacity, basic brush. Okay, pretty much done for coloring. That's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna think about, I want to try some key light from behind. We have key light from, well, left background over here, this side key light. We don't have here, so we may add some layer. Then let's see, some kind of interesting brush, maybe sketching. Let's see, pen. I don't know, let me see. Let me change the blend mode. I hope it's gonna show up pretty interesting. Well, touch looks like it. Maybe overlay. Okay, just leave it this way. Right. What else? Well, that's for colorize. Yeah, I think that's it for today. And well, let me turn off these. This is colors background. Okay, now this is black and white image, base image, and then I add this color of model first, then add the background color, kind of shadow, green, blue, reddish type image. I don't know if it's real shadow. I don't know if you guys can see this. And I just add some key light from behind, just a touch for separation. Well, not much big. Yeah, that's all. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, like adding color with the color blend mode and the normal blend mode to add color. this background, both are blend mode is color, but this one is key light is overlay. Change blend mode to get some kind of effect. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Yeah.